Hi everyone, I am Adila Raj from Access Language School. In this session, I am going to discuss some words or adjectives that you can use to describe someone's voice. Maybe your friends or maybe your colleague or anyone. So the first one that I am going to discuss with you is croaky or hoarse voice. Both the words have same meaning. That means a very low and a rough voice. So just imagine that you have a sore throat today and also your voice is very low. So after a conversation with your friend would be saying that like, hey, why do you sound so croaky? So that kind of sound is described as hoarse or croaky sound. The second one is a flat sound. That means when someone do not have any intonations in their speech. That means when there is no rise and fall in their voice, you can call it as a flat voice. Then the third one is high-pitched voice. When someone speaks so loudly, that means in a regular conversation they tend to go really loud, you can call it as high-pitched voice. And the next one is husky voice. Some men have really deep and rough voice. And this husky voice is said to be an attractive voice for men, especially someone who has a very deep, rough and low voice. And also it's a kind of voice which is so pleasant to your ears. Then the next one is modulated voice. You can call it as a modulated tone or modulated voice. That means someone who has a clear and pleasant voice. Mostly the actors in the film industry have this modulated voice. Then the next one is silvery voice. This word is specially used for women. That means someone who is so soft-spoken or who has a beautiful voice. You can call it as a silvery voice. So I hope these phrases or expressions will be useful for you. Thanks for watching this video.